Came along bringing something new. Show the kind of vibe that I never knew. I want you here by my side. It took a little time, but met the group.
Hi guys, welcome to today. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are killing it, man. But yeah, today is Sunday and my plan for today is really simple. I'm not planning to do much. I'm just doing a chilled reset Sunday, so I'm not doing any coding today or like any hard work. I feel like as software engineers, we're always like heads down onto something. It's either we're like fixing bugs or like working on a feature or like working on a to-do list app. I don't know, man. We're always working on something, but yeah, today I'm not doing any of that. I'm just taking care of a few basics in the house. But firstly, before I do that, I'm just going to go to like a Pilates studio that I saw on the Vitality Network. I never actually use my free workouts on the Vitality Network, so I thought to myself, maybe let me try something. And I saw this nice Pilates studio there, and I mean, it's different, and I feel like it really gels into what you would do for a workout on a Sunday. I'm just going to do that, and then when we come back, I am going to unbox some of the stuff that I got from Chelo. I got like this rack from Chelo and some like nice bar stools, and then from there we'll do some grocery shopping and then come back and cook, and then later I'm planning to go to church. But yeah, man, leave a comment in there and tell us how you spend your Sundays. Are they chilled or are they hectic, or maybe you're working on Sunday? But yeah, this is how I do it, and if this is your first time here, I'm Itumeleng and this is my life in 4K. So yeah, man, please like and subscribe, and welcome to the family, welcome aboard. But yeah, man, let's keep it flowing, let's keep it going, let's go. Hi guys, so we are back at the house now. We just came back from Woolies. I'm just gonna do some meal prepping. So today I'm just doing one meal, but on a typical Sunday I'll do like 2 meals for dinner and lunch for like the next 3 days. And the reason I usually do meal preps is that it allows me to sort of track and measure my food, because I'm like having the same quantity of food every day. So it just helps to see if I'm like eating my protein macros, or like if I'm under eating or like overeating. But yeah, just helps with that. But yeah, I'm curious, man. How do you guys do it, man? I feel like you're cooking every day is something else. But do you guys cook every day? Do you guys have private chefs maybe? Yeah, man, how do you guys do it? But yeah, man, let's get into it.